The software in question costs as little as $25.95. Made by a Russian company, the Skygrabber program allows users to take advantage of unprotected communications links. And as the Wall Street Journal first reported, and a U.S. official confirmed to CNN, insurgents used the program to intercept live feeds from U.S. military Predator drones monitoring targets in Iraq.
What was surprising was that the military computers, the military drones, weren't using hardened technology.
A senior defense official did not deny the breach, but insists the problem is an old issue for the military, one that's been addressed and fixed. Yet another official said this is sometimes a risk the military is willing to take because encrypting slows down the real-time video feed when multiple people need to watch simultaneously. Still, one expert says this is exactly what happened in Bosnia years ago and should never have happened in Iraq.
We assumed that our enemies would be dumb. We assumed they wouldn't catch up to our technology. We assumed because they were in a place like Iraq or Afghanistan, they couldn't pull it off. Well, what happens when you assume?
In fact, a 2005 CIA report notes Saddam Hussein was suspected to be doing the same thing, monitoring U.S. installations after Iraqi hackers located and downloaded the unencrypted satellite feed from military drones. As for these latest breaches, a U.S. official says no American troops or combat missions were compromised. But P.W. Singer, author of Wired for War, says the breach should serve as a wake-up call.
There are other potential adversaries out there that have much, much bigger budgets, certain large nation states, and the kind of things they're going to do make this look silly.
One of the highest profile uses of drones has been in Pakistan, where they've been used to hit al-Qaeda and Taliban targets on that side of the border. Now, informed sources tell CNN that those drones are not vulnerable to this software because they do use the latest encryption technology and because they're used in a much more limited capacity than the military drones. Elaine Quijano, CNN, The Pentagon.